John Hancock. The idiom, John Hancock, refers to a person's signature. It comes from the famous American statesman and founding father, John Hancock, who was the first person to sign the United States Declaration of Independence. His signature was large and prominent, which led to the term, John Hancock, being used to describe a person's signature. When someone asks for your John Hancock, they are simply asking for your signature. Here are a few examples of how this idiom can be used in everyday conversations. 1. Could you please sign this document? I just need your John Hancock to finalize the agreement. 2. Before you can receive your package, we'll need you to provide your John Hancock on the delivery receipt. 3. The author was thrilled when she saw her book with her name and John Hancock on the cover. In these examples, the phrase, John Hancock, is used to express the need for a person's signature on a document or item. It is a light-hearted and informal way of referring to someone's signature, adding a touch of personality to a typically mundane task.